Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So this is Diksha Patil here and I would be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So in this video I am going to share few things which I didn't know when I started my journey of becoming the content creator or influencer. So I am going to share few things that you should be aware of and you should focus in your initial days. So let's move ahead. Define your purpose. So you should know what you want. Like you should be aware of the things why you want to create. What is your why? Are you doing it for money? Are you doing it for fame? Or are you just doing it out of passion? Know your why. Like why you want to enter into this field. What drives you to be here? Experiment with niches. So it's really important to experiment with what is working for you and your audience. Most of the creators will say to follow a targeted reach or to follow a specific reach, but I will tell you to experiment and see what's working well for you. It might be possible that travel is working for you, or food or fashion, you never know. So you can definitely try different niche and then see yourself which is giving you more traction and result, and then you can pursue it for longer term. Other than that, you can always create lifestyle content that will include everything, so that's also a safer side. Start now. You should not wait for the right moment, because the right time will never come. So this is the moment which you have right now. You should start today itself. Don't think about the equipments, the money, whatever things you need. Start with whatever you have. Even if you have a normal mobile phone with a camera, start with it. Don't think I'll buy a camera, I'll buy a tripod stand, I'll buy a ring light, then I'll start. No, you can literally do and create content with whatever assets you have. Things will grow, you will get money in a longer run, then you can invest and see, but definitely you will learn yourself in this journey. So you should start with whatever you have. Don't wait for the right moment. Identify your unique angle. So you should know what is your USP. What is that thing that makes you different from others? It can be humor, it can be your dressing sense, it can be your storytelling, it can be the hooks you are using, it can be the CTA, it can be the trends you are following. So you should know what is that for you, which will make you stand out differently amongst all of the creators. So you should know your USP. That will definitely help you to grow exponentially and will reap your results in a longer run. Focus on quality over numbers. It is always said that always prefer quality over quantity. So I am saying that only. Don't run behind followers or don't run behind numbers, that you should have this much amount of followers to start working. Even influencers and content creators with 100 followers or 1000 followers can make content and start doing their thing, because a 100k influencer might be charging more than a 500k influencer. Why? Because the quality, maybe the quality which the 100k influencer is providing is way higher than that 500k one. So you should always prioritize your quality, because a well maintained and aesthetic profile that shows quality grabs more collaborations and things from the brands. Be consistent. Be very consistent and very regular in posting your content. Do that every day or whatever schedule you have decided for yourself. Don't miss out. Don't do this for 2 months and then you're like tired, nothing is happening, I'm not getting followers, brands are not coming in. Don't think like that. You just keep going. Don't wait for the results. It will definitely give you results, but you don't have to run behind the results. Just keep doing your work, be consistent in your work, be regular in your work, and you will get the victory soon. Explore all platforms. So it is really important for you to explore all the platforms. Don't think that I'm going to make only content on Instagram. You can also explore YouTube, you can explore Snapchat, you can explore LinkedIn. There are variety of social media platforms right now. You can see what is working for you. You can experiment on different platforms. You never know which one will boost or which one can make you viral in a day. So you should explore all the platforms, and the destiny will tell you which one worked well for you, and then you can definitely focus on that one. But don't stick to one platform, okay? Because you don't know, maybe you are lacking that thing which is required on one platform, but you have that thing that is required on other platform. You might have seen people or influencer who are well known on YouTube, but they don't have any presence or great presence, I would say, on Instagram or any other platform. So you need to figure it out which platforms is working for you. But definitely I would recommend to maintain your presence on all the platforms. Engage with audience. This is the most important thing. You should engage, interact, comment, respond, and be in conversation with your followers. They are your community. You should nurture them, you should talk to them, you should respond to them, you should be available for them, because they are the people who are trusting you, who are supporting you in your journey. So have that patience or have that kindness to respond, reward, and be in contact with them. Keep learning and adapting. So in the world of social media, you have to keep learning. You have to keep growing on yourself and learn yourself what's working for you and what's the new thing coming. You need to adapt to the trends, the tools, and learn it and utilize it, so that you always remain authentic and you always have a relevance in the digital world. So keep doing that and always hop on the trends, always follow the trends. The trends are the most crucial and important thing that can make you viral in a day, because on social media only 1 second, if it booms, then you are done, you are set. You don't need anything else apart from that. I think that's it from my side. Let me know your feedback in the comment section, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.